Hi folks, I've got a Sharp RP30 stereo tuner, a turntable direct drive which I think works. Down here I've got a speaker for it, and it's part of an old 80s retro stack system. It's got a tape recorder and it's got an amplifier, the receiver there. It's also got an amplifier which has problems. It makes a buzzing sound when I switch it on, and that's the power supply feeding into the rest of it, so I've gone and, as you can see, if you focus in, if you look at the caps, I've changed the caps. So the ones, these are new, which are changed, and these are proven to be bad, and there are quite a few bad ones in the centre here. I've changed the diodes for the bridge circuit there, and I've taken this old bridge rectifier out. That seems to work when I tested it. I've also, these mylars I've taken out. That seems right. I haven't touched the capacitors around here, around the pots, and I haven't changed the capacitors around here, which don't seem to be around the power circuit. And there's even capacitors on the display here. And if you look, I'll just show you if I can show you I'll just connect up across the diode here. So these are new diodes, and I've tested and I replaced all the diodes I can see, and you can see that way around it's an open circuit, and go the other way around, and you can see, oops, it's an open circuit. Right, so keep our focus on that. Keep focus on that, and I'll plug it in. Yeah, I know folks, you're going to complain that those capacitors are sticking out. And that's because if I might reuse them and put the old ones in and flog this as parts. So I'll switch it on. Now you can hear the terrible sound. And I'll go and swap the channel here, point at this. Okay, I'll switch that on. And that's even worse. Okay. Any ideas whether I could remove some of these links to isolate the power supply? Let me know. Thanks.